previous class we have learned how to do the multiplication. So children, multiply the following questions. 2934 by 212, 1217 by 520, 3134 by 21. So solve the following multiplication. Example 4. A cardboard carton can hold 140 ml bottles. How many bottles can be packed and transported in 1036 such cartons? So here asking to how many bottles can be transported in the 1036 carton. So we have to find out capacity of the one carton, that is 144 bottles. We have to find number of bottles in 1036 cartons. How much capacity of the bottles can be prepared? 1036 into 144. 144 write in the expanded from 100 plus 4 plus 4. 1036 into 4 gives 4144. Step 2. 1036 into 40, it gives 41,440. Step 3. 1036 into 100, it gives 1,03,600. So step 4, add all the products and we will get as a final product, that is 149184. Therefore 1,49,184 bottles can be packed in 1036 cartons. So like this we are going to solve the word problems. Next, shortcut in multiplication. Multiplication by hundred, thousands and zero. If any number is given to multiply with 100, for what is the number is given, write the same number and add two zeros. 482 into 100 is equal to 48200. 171 into 1000 is equal to 171000. 4053 into 10,000 is equal to 40530000. So whenever they have given the 100,000, 10,000, like that, so on, what is the number is given, write the same number. 100 given means add two zeros, 1000 given means add three zeros, 10,000 given means add four zeros. Multiplication of making multiples of 10. When they are given the multiples of 10, we can take like this. 5 is given in the question. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. 40 into 25 is equal to 1000. 8 into 125 is equal to 1000. We have to combine those numbers whose product will result in multiples of 10 before we move on to an example. Remember the following results in order to multiply faster. For example, here they have given to find the following products using shortcut methods wherever that is possible. For example, to calculate the product 4 into 37 into 25, the numbers can be grouped in the following way. So here I have taken in the group 4 into 25, I have taken into the group. Why? Because it's an easy process to take as 100. 25 into 4 gives 100, and with this 100 multiply with 37, then final product. So final product it gives 3700. Here they have given one example. Find the products using shortcut methods wherever as possible. Here they have given some question. A1 is given 12 into 83 into 5. We have to find the product by making grouping. 12 into 5 it gives 60 into 83 4980. Second one, B1 117 into 15 into 6. 15 into 6 making as a group. 717 into 90 it gives 10,530. C1 is given 20 into 30 into 40 into 50 into 60. So here all the questions we are having the 0. So totally we are having the 5 zeros. So take those 5 zeros and put 1 and take the remaining numbers into the group. 3 into 4 into 6 into 2 into 5 that is 72 into 10 into 100,000. It gives the final product as 72000000. Given 65 into 8 into 125, it gives 65 into 1000 is equal to 65,000. We are learning multiplication by 5, 25 and 50. 5 means is the easier way for the given number. When they have given 5, we have to take multiply with the 10 by the given number and finally divide this question by 2. Example: solve 568 into 5. When the 5 is given 565, we have to multiply with 10 and divide by 2. So 568 divided multiply with 10, it gives 5680 divided by 2 is equal to 2840. B1 is given 793 into 5. Into 5. 5 is given means the 793 we have to multiply with 10. It gives 7330. Finally, we have to divide by 2. The final answer is 3906. To multiply a number by 25, first we have to multiply that number by 100, and that is add 2 zeros at the end of the number and finally divide it by 4. Example: solve. A1 is given 86 into 25. So A1 is given 86 into 25. So 86 we have to multiply with 100. It gives 8600. And finally we have to divide this by 4. The final answer is 2150. Next, to multiply a number by 50, first we have to multiply the number by 100, that is add 2 zeros at the end of the given number and finally divide it by 2. Example: solve 49 into 50. 49 into 50. So 50 is given. So 49 you multiply with 100, then it gives 4900 and divide the answer with by 2, it gives 2450. We are learning the multiplication of numbers such as 99, 999, 101, 1001. 99 is less than 100, so we can take in the question when they have given 99 we have to take 100 minus 1. If they have given 999 we have to take 1000 minus 1. So there is some steps to follow to how to do the multiplication with 99 and 999. Step 1: first multiply the number by 100. Since multiplication is repeated addition, we have added 100 times the number instead of the 99 times. Step 2: subtract the number itself once from the product obtained in the step 1. The same process we can be done for the 999 also. Here they have given one example. Obtain the product of the following products. 432 into 99. 99 is given means we have to take 100 minus 1. So 432 you have to multiply it with 100. It gives 43,200. 43,200 minus 432, it gives the final answer 42,768. Meanwhile, same like when we are doing the multiplication with 101 and 1001, it can be made easier for the following methods. 100 given 101 given means we have to take 100 plus 1. We have to take 100 plus 1. 1001 given means we have to take 1000 plus 1. Step 1: to follow by 101. First multiply the given number by 100, that is add 2 zeros at the end of the given number. Step add the number itself once to the product obtained in step 1. The same idea can be extended to be multiplication by 1001 also. Example 14. Here they have given observe the products of the following. A1 is given 633 into 101. 101 means we have to take 100 plus 1. 633 we have to multiply it with 100 and 633 again we have to take and add. It is 63,300 plus 633. Final product is 63,933. In the same way, C1 is given here 1,795 into 1,001. 1,000 given means 1,001 given means we have to take 1,000 plus 1. So 1,795 into 1000 plus 175, that gives final answer, that is 1796795.